I'm going to give you 3 cryptocurrency tips that you need to know if you want to make profits in cryptocurrency, if you want to succeed in this crypto industry and actually make money, not get wrecked. I'm going to give you these 3 tips that you need to know today. And look, you can skip this video, you cannot watch it, you don't have to know these 3 cryptocurrency tips, but at the same time, if you don't know these 3 cryptocurrency tips, you're probably going to get wrecked, or you're not going to make money in this industry, or at least you're not going to make as much profits as you would if you know these 3 tips. For that reason, I actually suggest not only you watch this video, but you actually watch it till the end. But hey, you do you. Tip number 1, you're using TA wrong. Look, you're watching all these YouTubers, crypto influencers doing TA, doing technical analysis, but the issue is they're doing it for the views, right? Everybody's doing it for the views. I'm doing videos for the views. We're not on YouTube for the anonymity. The problem is when it comes to TA, you need many years of experience to learn TA. You actually need 2 or 3 years at the very least to start learning how to use TA. And look, let's face it, the crypto influencers that are showing you how to do TA have not been practicing it for that long. I mean, you can see it from their age, you can see it for how long they have the channel, and also how long they've been practicing TA. They may be doing it for 3 years, but okay, how much prior to that? And that's why a lot of their TA is wrong and it's actually misleading. Look, technical analysis works. I'm all for technical analysis. I use technical analysis, but the TA they're showing you, it's not that good. It's not up to par. And we'll talk more about that in a second, but I just want to get to tip number 2 right now. You keep on hearing the phrase, do your own research, or I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, please do your own research. And there is merit for saying that, but there are 2 issues with this that no one's really mentioning. See, number 1, they're saying they're not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice because they think that will protect them because they're scared they may get sued or you might blame them for a wrong move in cryptocurrency. And there is merit in that, of course. But the reason we say this is not financial advice, even if you are a financial advisor, you can't give financial advice on a video because you need to know the person's background, his risk tolerance, his assets, how much money they make, and so on. This is why you just can't tailor fit financial advice. The second issue is everyone keeps on telling you to do your own research. Do your own research. Hey, make sure you do your own research. Okay, but how? How do I do my own research? No one tells you how to do your own research. They just say that mostly to protect themselves and their reputation. But how? How do I do it? And look, I'll be honest, most people that say this don't even know how to do their own research. So look, when you do your own research, it's very simple. Just use a VRIN score. Basically, the VRIN score stands for value, rarity, inimitability, and non-substitutable. And what you basically do, you assign a number from 1 to 10 to these 4 factors. Then you divide that number you find, you divide X by 4, that is your VRIN score. The higher that number, the better the project is, so you can invest in. The lower that number, the worse it is. You should use caution or not touch it with a 10-foot pole. And I'll tell you more about the VRIN score and the technical analysis in just 1 second, okay? Hear me out. The third thing is no one really tells you how to make money in cryptocurrency. No one gives you a blueprint or strategy, if you will. I mean, everyone's either talking about 10x, 100x, 500x, 1000x cryptocurrencies, or they're telling you to just take profits along the way, but they really don't give you a strategy, something to follow. And look, I understand what they're doing. They're getting the clicks, and I do the same thing, and I do give you some moonshots, right? There are some moonshots out there that can make you rich. I mean, we actually made a few calls ourselves, but if you want guaranteed results, you actually need a strategy. And there is such a strategy. It's called the numbers game. And look, it's quite simple to use and it works in cryptocurrency, it works with investments, it works in life, it works with everything. It's how to become a millionaire almost guaranteed, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So let me just summarize real quick, okay? Number one, you're using technical analysis wrong. Number two, everyone's telling you to do your own research. No one's showing you how. You need to know how to learn how to do your own research. And finally, you have to learn the numbers game. But I can't just show you all this in one video on YouTube. Most people will click away because they're not really interested or they don't want to put the work in, and that just ruins the metrics of the video. YouTube stops promoting it, so it doesn't work. People have short attention spans, okay? Most people, not you, but most people. So what I did is I created a webinar, a free webinar, doesn't cost a cent or Satoshi, where I actually go through these 3 factors, these 3 tips. All you have to do is just click the link right over here or click the link down below this video in the description and you can get started. That way you can learn these 3 tips and gain that unfair advantage that most people in cryptocurrency don't have because they just don't have the attention span and just don't want to put in the work. Let them go watch 100x, 1000x moonshot videos, that's fine. But you can gain that unfair advantage and actually learn how to use these tips, these 3 factors to your advantage and actually succeed and make money, real money in crypto. So again, click the link down below and I will see you there. Looking forward to it. Talk soon.